I'm Mr. Monty, and we're on Lesson 9, Tutorial number 4. Today, we're going to use the same expression as we used in Tutorial number 3, but this time we're going to use what's called the Tic-Tac-Toe Factoring Method. Tic-Tac-Toe Factoring Method is very popular in certain pockets of both the United States and Canada. If you go onto the internet and you actually type in Tic-Tac-Toe Factoring, you're going to find all sorts of PowerPoint presentations showing you how to do it. Some of them aren't exactly the way we do it here at LC. I was actually taught to do this by Mr. Lund, which is really cool because it organizes your thoughts, whereas if you saw the last one, there's several steps to it. So take a look at this, see what you think. We're going to do it 2 different times. This tutorial we use this expression, then the next time we're going to use some minus signs, help you organize the thoughts so that we keep our minuses straight. So, Lesson 9, Tutorial number 4, I can factor the expression. The technique today will be the tic-tac-toe method. First thing I'd like to do is actually draw a tic-tac-toe. Next, I'm going to put a little smiley face here, because we don't actually use this section. This square is for our A value. This square is the C value. Well, remember, ax squared plus bx plus c. Well, in this particular example, our A value is 1. Yeah. And the C value, 5. We'll put a 1 there and a 5 here. Now, off to the side, we know that we need to find 2 numbers that multiply together, A times C, to give us 5. We're also looking for 2 numbers that add together to give us our B value, which is 6. Okay, let's find the factors of 5. Make a little factor tree here. We know we have 1 times 5. That's a prime number. There's no other factors of 5. So, 1 and 5. 1, 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1, 5. 1 times 5 is 5. So we found our factors. Now, with these 2 numbers, we can put them here and here. Either way, I could have gone 5 and 1, or 1 and 5. Either way, we're still going to get the correct answer. Okay, let's leave it like this. The next step is, in the empty spaces, we're going to put what's called the greatest common factor. So, 5, 5. What's the greatest common factor of 5 and 5? 5. Good. The greatest common factor of 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 1, so that's 1. Now, the greatest common factor goes here, of 1 and 5. 1. This is 1 times 1, that's 1 times 5, the greatest. The only thing you can pull out is a 1. And again, 1 and 5, greatest common factor is 1. Now, to finish this, we can actually write there's an x that goes here and an x that goes here. So now, oh, I get it. X plus 1. That x goes here. X plus 5. A little bit more work in the center part than the previous technique, but the organization, when you get to your final answer, x plus 1, x plus 5. It's more organized at this point. So, tic-tac-toe method, I can factor the expression. We did that, x plus 1, x plus 5. Refer back to the previous tutorial, we could check our answer. X squared plus 5x plus 1x. Whoop. Went the wrong direction there. Plus 5. Like terms, x squared plus 6x plus 5. So, it does check. And this is the factored form using the tic-tac-toe method. So this was tutorial number 4 in lesson 9. When you come back for tutorial number 5, we're going to do the same technique, but with a minus sign in here so you can see how the minuses all work themselves out. See you for tutorial number 5.